Okay folks, here we are, Darren Brown with Darren Buys Homes Cash. We are closing on 2780 American Avenue, Sacramento. We closed this property that was owned by a landlord, and we closed in 7 days. And this is day one of the closing. And so let's go take a look at this property. As you can see, there's no front window to this property at all. It's going to need a lot of work, need the entire roof. Landscaping totally trashed. Let's go take a look at the inside. We have estimates of at least $100,000 in repairs for this property. This is all the stuff that was left behind. This is where a window's gonna go. Pretty small place. Need a total trash out. This is a window opening up to the kitchen. And do something special with that somehow. This old rinky-dink heater, probably not doing nothing. This is the kitchen. Bedroom one totally needs to trash out. All this garbage in here. Needs new windows, new roof. Oops, tripping over stuff there. This is the bathroom. We're going to totally redo all of this. It's going to be looking nice when we're done. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. This is the laundry. And this is the 2nd bedroom. All this trash in here. All that's got to go out. That's extra, you know, adds up in the cost of repairs. And this is the tiny 3rd room. Gonna need landscaping. It's got a pretty small yard. But we're gonna work some magic on this. And I'll show you the goal here. And we're done. When we're done, this is the neighborhood. There. And we're done. It's going to be looking similar to the next door neighbor right here. We'll have another video probably in about 60 days when this is all done. This is Darren Brown at Darren Buys Homes Cash. You can reach me at 916-300-7962. If you're looking to sell your home fast for cash, we buy it in any condition, as you can tell.